Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the magic number in Java. So let us start. First, I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better way my video lecture. And here I use as notepad, simple notepad, and that our Java programming type. So that is a yes, I write. So uh, what is a first in your mind, what is a magic number? So yes, our definition, write a program to input, or we can say that take one static number and that number is a magic or not. That is our definition. So first we can understand what is a magic number. Yes, so here what is a magic number? So now let us check. So number is a magic number. Which number we have to say? That is like at the single digit we have to that digit sum, and that last digit we can get as the one. So that is a magic number. Otherwise that number is not magic number. So I think you have to not understand. So we can give one example. So like 640, that is a one number, and we can separate the digit. Yes, and addition means that sum of digit, and like that is a 10, and ultimately we can sum at the repetition as single digit. So here again that sum, and that is a getting one. So here you can look, that is a one. So that is a magic number. And like we can say that like 1 2 3, that is not magic number, because 1 plus 2 plus 3, so that sum is 6, not 1. So single digit you can apply to this logic. That is very important of this session. How to continue same while loop. Some student take the different while loop, means after taking the two-digit sum that take second while loop, and like three-digit sum that taking three while loop. So that is a not solution. We can solution very short logic and one while loop continue itself. So that is a better logic. So let us start. So that is a your reference, and here our definition. Write a program to check that number is magic or not, or given number is a magic or not. But initially we can take in Java as a static value, because then we can learn the IO, java.io package, input output character string and byte string. So we can take value from user. So initially we can take as a static number. So now let us start, and our class name, that is a magic num number. So let us start. Yes, opening closing test, and then our main method. So public static and void main. So that is a main, and that we have to pass yes string. So let us check. Here you can take as like so we can say that yes, here we can use first integer variable as number and assign to like our example, so 601. And now we can take some like we can separate the digit and take that sum, yes, that integer that assigned to 0 by default value in integer. And yes, that is a sufficient. So let us take. So yes, that our number is static, so we can take as while loop. So n is greater than 0. Yes, and now how to continue the same while loop, that is very important of this session. So first we can separate the digits. So d n and modulo 10. So that is a separate modulo to digit over, and then sum. So yes, plus equal, that is a compound assignment operator, and d. So that is a, I write the full form, sum equal to sum plus d. That is a form of this statement. And now we take as a divide equal to, so 10, that is a also short technique. So n equal to n divided by 10, that is our full statement. So whenever one variable used in the same statement, so you can use as a compound assignment operator. So that is a short technique. You cannot write one variable two times. That is a benefit. uh, so concise your statement, short technique. And now yes, that is a sufficient. But how to continue again if that sum is 2 digit? So we can continue this same while loop. Otherwise, we can take a second while loop. That is a not proper answer, I mean solution of that logic. So here we can some condition apply to that same while loop continue as it is to our single digit last digit, that is as one, means any single digit that we have to get, and that is a one, so that is a magic number. Otherwise that not magic number. So we can use if condition. And yes, that is we can say that an equal relational operator, so equal to 0 and logical and operator, and sum is greater than 9. Why? Because this while loop continues, so that is n equal to 0, but sum is greater than 9, because after 9, that is a start, our sum is a 2 digit. So here we can take is greater than 9. Yes, so not equal to, only greater than 9. So 9 after 10, so that is a sum of, here you can look 640, that is sum of 10, so that is a greater than 9, and n is also 0, so that is same continue while loop. Why? We can write two statements, so that opening closing brace here required. So any number that give the solution of the same logic. So what to do? So here n assigned to sum, so that is a sum assigned to a new number like 10 in our example. So that is a 2 digit sum of this 640. So that is a sum, and then we can addition of 1 plus 0, so that is a single digit, and that is a 1. But here you can look not 1, so that is a perfect number, not magic number. So let us check. Yes, and now what to do? So yes, again we can continue. So sum assigned to 0, so same while loop continue as it is, and after complete this while loop, we can take that is a magic or not. So if we can get sum equal to 1, so we can print, yes, system, that is a package, out, that is a string, and method print l, print. Yes, so we can say that the number is magic, or magic, yes, number. So the number is magic number, and we can also print. Yes, so here we can print that number, but that number is that is a, we can already 0, so we can print as some value, but that is not proper. Yes, just we have to print a message. Otherwise we can take one temporary variable and store that number and print also, that is possibility, but here not required. So yes, I copy this line and paste to else part, and here we can say that the number is not magic. So yes, that's sufficient. So I hope you can understand, very simple logic we have to develop. Only three statement in the while loop, and that if condition there are two statements, that is all span in the while loop. So when our number is 0 and sum is greater than 9, so again that number assigned to sum and sum assigned to 0, so again continue this while loop same. So there is no extra or any other while loop is requiring this logic. So that is a magic, and so many magic number like I give show you. So again I give one example. So like any 10 digit sum that taking as a 1, so that is a magic number. So like 3 5 2, that is also a magic number, because 3 plus 5 plus 2, so that answer is 10, and 10, so that again sum, so 1 plus 1 plus 0, so that is a 1, so that is also magic number. So many number is magic number. So here we can check two or three. Yes, let us check. So first I save that file in our Java Pro, that is a folder in create my first video lecture in Java programming language, and my YouTube channel Ashok Sijala. Yes, and here we can give the name. Yes, that is a rule. So file name is a class name in the Java. So magic, yes, num dot java, that is our file name. So I can save, yes, that complete, and let us compile. So how compile and run? So yes, we can go in those command prompt. So cmd, just you have to type. So here that command prompt is appear. So we can click and select, means and full screen, and cd slash come out all directories, and colon F change the drive, and cd, so Java Pro, that is our file we have to store, and Java path I develop one batch file, so BAT extension, so that is a batch file, so that is a set our JDK path. You can look here. So if you not idea how to, so you can watch my first hello world message in Java. That time I create this batch Java path dot bat batch extension file, so that I explain all detail. So Java C, that is a JDK component, and that is a compiler of Java, and then our magic number.java, that is our source file. So yes, that compile takes some time. Yes, some, yes, that is a, some might not have been initialization. Yes, so that is a rules. Yes, so we have to initialization a variable. So here we cannot initialize, so we can assign to 0. So yes, here we cannot assign any value. So that is a, so let us check what error is there. So you can look here. The sum might not have been initialization. So directly we cannot use. So variable sum might not have been, same answer is getting. So now again I compile. Yes, let us check. Yes, there is no any error. So we can directly by default value in the sum is 0 assign, but here that taking you have to not initialization. So we can assign. So that error is gone. So yes, that is a how to error is coming to the picture. You can look here. That is a that giving the message and two error, but only one because there are two time if condition use the sum, and here that sum plus d, that is also use the sum variable. So actually that is only one error, but that present show that two error, and that is you can see that our file name and line 14 and here that 22. So you can go in your notepad, and here you can look your status bar. So line number, that is a, we can set that sum. Yes, here that is a 14 line number, and then again here that is a 22. You can observe. So that perfectly give the idea how error is which statement. So that is very important for how to resolve or solution of error. So yes, that is a perfect guideline by JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Yes, now we can, yes, so our, yes, I show you here, so that our class file is created. So magic number dot class file, so that is a bytecode file, and now I come run that file. So we can say that magic number, so you can look the number is magic, and I change that number static way because here we cannot take as dynamically value. So here what to do? So yes, I our example 1 2 3 and save that file. Yes, save, and let us compile. So up arrow key, all your previous command is appearing those mode. So again compile. You if file you can modify, first save and then compile, and then again you can run same process. So let us check. Yes, that all path and down. Yes, so here our previous all, yes, now appear. So Java is a application launcher, the only Java. So we can use compile Java C, that is compiler, and Java, that is application launcher, and that is tool of JDK. Yes, number is not magic number. You can look that message is appear. So yes, any number you can check that number is magic. So very simple logic we have to develop of this session. So I think you have to understand what is a magic number. So you can continue to your sum of any number to the single digit, and that get one. So that is a magic. And if not get one, so that is a not magic number. So I hope you can understand and enjoy this session. Very concise and very short logic. Only three variable we can use. So number and digit and sum. Yes, only three variable and one while loop and one if condition. Some student taking like three digit sum. So three while loop, two digit sum. That is two while loop. That is not proper answer or not proper logic. So there is a very short technique I develop for you. So you can trace dry run method and observe how that is work. So I think you have to understand. So any regarding question, this definition, you can write in comment section. I give the definitely to answer you. And subscribe my channel Ashok C Jala Academy. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. And thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.